Looking for some inspiration for your new bathroom or next bathroom upgrade? Look no further than the Hickman Supplies bathroom showroom. Conveniently located in Beccles, our well-stocked showroom displays our latest products from the best manufacturers in the business.
EasyFlow are specialists in underfloor heating and liquid floor screeds, providing an innovative, high-quality flooring solution. As well as being approved suppliers and installers, we can provide you with the whole package for a cost-effective system. What's more, our unique approach keeps resale values strong and reduces the risks of ever needing to move into a costly care home. All of the owners live independently in their own self-contained apartment or bungalow.
Kerrys View is the ultimate luxury hideaway, with a tranquil atmosphere exclusive to holiday homeowners and their mature family members, creating a friendly community. The park is set in over 4 acres of landscaped gardens.
Gold Star, what's your emergency?
Our 2 cubic yard skips are perfect for small DIY projects and garden waste, as they hold around 20 to 30 bin bags of waste. For something slightly larger, our 4 cubic yard skips offer the ideal solution.